Today I'm going to show you how to integrate DropInBlog into your Teachable site. Once you've logged into your Teachable account, on the left-hand side, navigate to Settings here with the gear icon, then click on it. This will then take you to the Global Settings page and show an expanded settings menu on the left. Under the expanded settings menu, look for App Hub, then click on it. You'll be taken to the App Hub page where you'll see all the apps available to use for your Teachable account. Let's scroll down and look for the DropInBlog app, then click on it. This will open up the apps page, and on the upper right here, click Install. A pop-up will appear requesting for access. Then just click Install in the bottom right of the pop-up. A new tab will open up, taking you to your DropInBlog account, as after installation of Teachable, DropInBlog automatically creates an account for you using the email address you used to create your Teachable account. Now let's go back to the Teachable tab to see if we've successfully installed DropInBlog to our account. Let's just click on our tab, and we'll go back to where we left off, in the DropInBlog app page. Navigate to the left-hand side and under Settings, click App Hub. Once in the App Hub, scroll down a bit and see that the DropInBlog app has in fact been successfully installed. And if you want to go back to your DropInBlog account and manage your blog posts, an easy way to do that through Teachable is just to click on the DropInBlog app. Once in the apps page on the upper right, click on Manage Account. You'll then be taken to your DropInBlog account in a new tab, like so. Now that we've installed DropInBlog to our Teachable account, we'll create a blog page using DropInBlog. Let's go back to the tab where we have our Teachable account open. Then in our Teachable dashboard on the left-hand side, navigate to the site icon, then click on it. An expanded site menu will appear on the left, look for Pages, then click on it. Once in your list of pages, scroll down a bit and click on Add New Page. This will take you to where you can customize your page. On the left side, under Page Blocks, click Add New Block. Then, scroll down a bit, and under Apps, click on DropInBlog. Then, click Add. Once you've done that, you'll see your DropInBlog page in the preview. When you're ready to publish your new blog page, on the upper left, click the arrow to go back. Then just to the right of Site Page, click on the gear icon to get to your page settings. You'll need to give your page a title before publishing, so scroll down and click on the text box under Page Title. You can name your page as you like. We'll name this one Blog for simplicity. Once you're done naming your page, go to the upper right, then click Publish. A pop-up will appear where you can edit your page's URL. I'll put in Blog for consistency. And finally, click Publish. You'll confirm that your page has been published on the bottom right. If you want to see how your site looks with your new blog page, just left of Publish, click Preview. You'll be taken to your site in a new tab and you'll be able to check out your shiny new blog page. Another way to do that is to go back to the Teachable account tab we used earlier. Navigate to the arrow on the upper left and click twice. You'll be taken back to your list of pages, and when we scroll down, you can see that your new blog page has been added. Then, just to the right of Edit on your new page is this eye icon. Click on it. And again, you'll be taken to your site and you'll be able to check out your new blog page. And that's how you create a blog page for your Teachable account using DropInBlog. Happy blogging!